Hey guys, it's your mixed bag here. I know it's been a very long time that I haven't uploaded anything. So as I told you in my first video that my channel's name is a mixed bag, so I will be doing everything. For the first time, I am trying to do a makeup video. Please don't mind, I am not a professional makeup artist, so please guys, please don't mind. Further a delay, let's get started. And right now I haven't washed my face and I haven't done anything, so quickly I'll go and wash my face and show you everything, basically what I do during doing my makeup. So yeah, keep watching. So okay guys, I have already washed my face, जो कि आप देख सकते हो. और हाँ, अब स्टार्ट करते. सो फर्स्ट मैं जो करती हूँ, ये मेकअप के बिना भी मैं करती हूँ, तो why am I telling Hindi? I don't know. Whatever. Please don't mind. So you don't know which language I say. Bengali. Whatever. I'm telling Hindi only. So yeah, this is mist. This is actually a toner. So this is from Avon. This product. So I use it as a toner. It's a very good product. I love it, and the smell of the lavender is okay. So you. So yeah, after toner I am going to use this serum. It's from Quellrix. Can you see? Yeah, so it's a very good serum. Try it. Its smell is also superb. I use it. So that's it. It's perfect. It's always. Yeah, I have prepared my skin and उधर मेरा मिरर है, so इसीलिए मैं उधर देख के ही बात कर रही हूँ. मेरा चाइल्डहुड से ये शौक है, whatever. So yeah, I've prepared for my skin and now I'll move on to my makeup. So मैं पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कि I am not a professional makeup artist. Please don't mind, and if you want to give any suggestions to me, please leave your suggestions in the comment section. So yeah, so next I am going to apply is Huda Beauty primer. This one. Okay, it's a BB primer, silicone based primer. I usually take it on my hand only like this. I haven't used it for. Its persistency is very nice. I like this primer a lot. Really. It's not sticky like other primers. So I'll apply it with my hand only because I'm comfortable applying with my hand. Yeah, I remember I haven't told that मैं क्या मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करूँगी. सो मैं जो मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करूँगी वो होने वाला है एक लाइक बर्थडे टाइप मेकअप लुक एंड नॉर्मल मेकअप लुक, बोथ मिक्स. यू कैन डू इट एज अ रेगुलर बेसिस इफ यू डू मेकअप इन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. आई डू नॉट डू इन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. सो या, तो देखते हैं कैसा क्रिएट होता है. ओके. So the next is foundation. So for the foundation I use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 155 Ivory Matteless Flawless. This one. This is my shade. Okay. Yeah. I love this. So I blend it with this one sponge finder and make sure it is damp. Not too much, but yeah, make sure, otherwise it will look very cakey on your face and obviously you don't want to look it cakey. So yeah. तो मैंने फाउंडेशन लगा लिया. अब इसके बाद मैं लगाऊंगी this is a magic stick, like it's half for contouring and half for your highlight or the concealer. I follow, yeah, this is that one stick. I bought it online and it's very cool, believe me. Blend बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है and it's very much nice. Contour. मेरे को कंट्रोल ज़्यादा लगता नहीं कि मेरा फेस ऐसे ही स्लिम हो, तो कंट्रोल उतना भी मेरे को लगता नहीं। नोट्स के लिए सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत लग जाता है कभी कभार। सो मैं ब्लेंड करके one thing I want to tell you, if you want to blend your contour, you have to blend in this direction, like down to upwards, and same for this. So yeah, you have to do like this, okay? And make sure and you don't do like this or this. Always do like this because it will blend very nicely and you will know your own difference. Okay, so मैंने यहाँ पे मेरा blend कर लिया है, as you can see. So इसके बाद आई यूज़ लूज़ पाउडर, जो कि मेबलिन का है, पर मेरा हाथ से गिर के वो इसमें ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है। Please don't mind, so we'll use it. Okay, so I use this with this one. I don't know the shade because I'm using this with this one, this brush. ये मैं Amazon से ली थी। ओके, तो मैंने सेट कर लिया है, थोड़ा मेस हो गया था। सो आई एक्चुअली डोंट डू ब्राउज वेरी मच. I'll just do a little kind of a brow, I don't use any kind of a pencil or any professional thing. This I use eyeshadow because professionals always recommend, if you don't want to do a proper if you don't want to do eyebrows, so you can do basic, or you don't have any equipments for that, you can use a light shade eyeshadow for doing this. So I'll try to do a little bit because I don't like so much of Okay, so the palette I'm using, this is one of my favorite palette. This is the Falcon Hill palette, Morphe. I love this palette. I'll suggest you to buy this one. It's a very colored palette, pigmented palette. I'm just using one to show. Like this one is shade this, I don't know what shade's name. You can see. So it's a very cool palette, you can use it. So I'll quickly try to figure out my brows and come. तो हाँ, इसके बाद what will I do? I had settled my face now. Makeup is a hard task, guys, believe me. Okay, so now I am moving on to my cringe. So मैं बोली थी कि मैं एक soft look create करूँगी. So the brushes I will use is this one. So the first and the basic, okay, so the basic color first I will choose is this one, this shade. This is a kind of skin shade. Okay, I told you it can be a daily or a birthday party kind of makeup, so I'm trying to according to that only. Make sure that your brushes are always clear. I'm drawing a basic color for my lid of my eyes. Okay, you see. This is a soft peach color, peach shaded color. Not this color. It's a very soft color. Okay. So after this, I am going to give my lid a little darker shade to define this nude shade, not so much dark. So for the next color I am trying this one, just below this one. This is a higher shade of this only, which I used. I apply it on my lid only once again to define my color. Always blend it properly to create the look you are trying to create. So the next shade will be a little darker, and the shade is little darker, not too much darker. That too much darker can ruin your makeup look. So yeah, I am taking this one. After that, I will take a final look, and that will be this is the brush is not pretty. I will try to define my crease a little more, because I told you it can be a birthday party look. So for this eye look, it is perfect for your everyday routine and all, for your work, for your office and all. But this one I'm feeling right now is for the birthday one. I'll do a little darker shade, this one, just to define my crease. See the difference. And ugly. Also the paper like okay, so final look will be this one. I'm again seeing that I am not a professional makeup artist, guys. Okay, the magic comes here. Okay, so the final shade I'm going to take is this copper shade, and this will give a next level to the makeup. I will quickly blend it with another clean brush, this one. Like it doesn't give any harsh lines, समझ नहीं आ सके, इसीलिए मैं जल्दी से blend कर लेती हूँ. Okay, so this is the final look of my eyes. So मैं quickly off camera में ये वाला side complete कर लेके next step करती हूँ. Hey guys, मैं बहुत जल्दी मेरी आई complete की और
कुछ हार तेरे उत्तों दूंगा, सब कुछ हार तेरे उत्तों दूंगा, आखिर च जान तेनू दूं अपनी, छला तेनू पहली बार दूंगा. हाँ,
hypercord, this is also from
तेरे नाल
Maybelline.
लेनिया, समय दा ता पूरा भी यकीन कोई ना, तेरे नालों चलिए हसीन कोई ना, तारे चने अंबर जमीन कोई ना, तेरे नालों चलिए हसीन कोई ना, तारे चने अंबर
मस्कारा
जमीन कोई
अप्लाई
ना,
करने के
मैं
बाद
जदों तेरे
मैं
मोटे
जल्दी से
उत्ते
और एक
सिर
बार
रखिया, ये तो सच्ची समा भी हसीन कोई ना.
eyelashes पहन लूंगी.
तू यार मेरा तू ही है सहारा जड़िए, मैं पानी तेरा मेरा तू किनारा जड़िए, फुल बन जी मैं खुशबू बन जू, दीवा बनी मेरा तेरी लो बन जू, हाय उजड़ियां थावां ते बनाते बाग ने, तेरियां अखां ने कीते जादू याद ने, जदों वांग कोलों फड़ी भी नहीं कस के, टुटे सांभ रखे टुटे हुए कच दे. हाँ कि दिल याद रखदा है सांभ सांभ के, होर दिल सजना मशीन कोई ना, तेरे नालों चलिए हसीन कोई ना, तारे चने अंबर जमीन.
Okay, so the lipstick I'm taking is this one. It's from Miss Luck Pink. I don't know shade and all. It's a pigmented matte 24 hours. Okay, so the color is very nice.
कितने दिन हो गए मेरी अख सोई ना, तेरे तो बगैर मेरा इत्थे कोई ना, तू भुख भी है तू ही है गुजारा जड़िए, मैनू सब करी तू इशारा. ਉਹ ਖੋਰੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰ ਸੀਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੂਬੀਆਂ ਸੁਰਮੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਡੁੱਬੀਆਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰ ਜੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਧੁੱਪ ਕਰ ਜੇ
So I'm done with my makeup. So I will do my blush, highlighter, and very quickly I will complete my look because it's already 10. I don't. So okay guys, here is the final look. I did my hair. कर्ल की हूँ मैं थोड़ा बहुत. You can see. And yeah. This is my final look. मैं नहीं जानती मैं नहीं जानती how it turned to be, you know, like this can be a wedding guest look or a reception wedding guest look like that. So I don't know how it turned to be. मैं हर बार जो भी simple करना चाहती हूँ it turned to be like this. I don't know why. Okay, so मैं थोड़ा zoom out कर देती हूँ.
मेरी राहें तेरे तक है
So here is my
तुझ पे ही
final look.
तो मेरा हक
Do you
है
like it?
इश्क
ज़रूर
मेरा
बोलना.
तू बेशक
I
है
am not a
तुझ पे
professional
ही
makeup
तो
artist, please.
मेरा हक
So yeah, मैंने रिंग पहन लिया और yeah. So अगर अच्छा लगे don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel और बोलना कि मेरा हुआ तो मैं definitely उसको next वीडियो में ठीक करूँगी. और नेक्स्ट आप लोग कौन सा वीडियो देखना चाहते हो प्लीज़ गाइज प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. और ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो मैं बोल ही दिया. और मेरा आई लुक वेट करो कैसा है और मेरा पूरा जो हेयर का लुक है. सो बहुत टाइम लगा है ये लुक बनाने के लिए. मैं स्टार्ट की थी फ्रॉम 9 और 9:30 एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 10:50. So you can understand. So yeah, please बोलो कैसा लगा है, नेक्स्ट क्या देखना चाहते हो. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम, बी सेफ, wear a mask if you go out and have a healthy life guys. Bye, meet you soon.